Hey, what's up everybody, Sami here. So, the OPPO Find X7 Ultra, the most anticipated phone so far in 2024. The first phone that features dual periscopic lens. Wow! And also compare with, the older Magic 6 Pro. Here we have some information. High quality on I think the blue color, right? And 60 gigs plus 512 gigs of storage. A big bump here, like I said in the previous video. Okay, some paperwork. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, I like this leather color. I will just not use this phone case. 100 watts supervolt charge, type A to type C cable. Woo! Now let's move to the Honor Magic 6 Pro. Okay, also gigantic bump. Okay, we'll compare the phones later. Let's move on. This phone case is transparent one, which looks a little bit cheaper than the OPPO's. Also 100 watts charger and type C to type A cable. And all right, let's move to the phones. Wow, just check out. All right, we'll compare the back a little bit later. So on top, the same speaker, infrared blaster, left side, same volume rocker, power key, bottom, Type-C charging port, SIM card tray, and speaker. Moving to the left side, for the OPPO, we have this three-phase customized key. Well, nothing on the Honor. And now let's just move to the back. Just check it out. Wow! The OPPO has a really gigantic camera bump. The decal is enormous compared to the Honor. But to be honest, I'd rather have a gigantic bump because, for me, whether to buy the phone or not, the camera performance is definitely the #1 factor. To be honest, when I unboxed the OPPO Find X7 Ultra, it's like for the first time I have feeling like the same as opening the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It gives you a feeling that this is a piece of art, Just check out the leather, the comfortable leather. And if you look closer at the back here, you can see some dots inside, which is beautiful, super beautiful. And you can see some pattern here. We can see even the dot is all in the detail. If you check out the Honor, it's just a whole piece of this. I don't know what this material is, but it looks really boring. Okay, and looks less elegant than the OPPO Find X7 Ultra. But wow, I just love it. I've definitely used it as my daily driver. I will switch from that, OPPO Find N2, the photo phone, to this one. Alright, more about the two will be released a little bit later, so stay tuned for that. And please leave what you want to know in the comments, and I will do that for you. That's the video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sami. See you in the next one. Bye bye.